Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a realistic looking kangaroo in just a few steps. Enjoy! To make it simple for us, we'll start with some letters. First we'll make a V, then an O, then a C, then the letter S, and then L. Okay, the V, of course, is the ears. Basic shape of them. And they are on either side of the head, which is similar shape to a deer. Okay. Then we come down to their front legs. A bit too high over there. Just the basic outlines right now, nothing too detailed. That comes later. And from under the front legs we go slope down the belly. Here we meet the hind leg. Very, very long. And like the letter L. I think we need to fix up that tail. Be sure to get it right while you're doing the big shapes, otherwise it will be impossible to fix later. Let's try this S shape again. Start from the back of the neck, gently slope upwards, and down, and further down. Okay, that looks better. Thick, strong tail. And here is the back of it. Okay, that looks like a good start. Let's erase some of those construction lines. Let's add a second hind leg. Give it its place. Okay. Let's work on the face. Add some detail. The eyes. Here's the long nose, snout, mouth, I don't like that front leg. Let's do that better. Okay, so here we have it. V by the ears, O for the face, C for the front legs, S for the back all the way down to the tail, and the letter L for the back legs. Makes it easy to remember. Okay, now let's add in some color. Let's start with a brown ochre. And we'll do that all over. Back. Top part of the tail. Down the shoulders, chest, upper front legs, a bit on the face, here on the feet, back legs, just a touch. Okay, let's get a darker shade, a burnt sienna, and we'll add some darker color here on the hindquarters. Show off those strong muscles. Let's do a bit of shading here on the legs. It's a bit brownish over there, so that will be a nugget 178. Alright, this looks good. I'll add some lighter gray. What's this? Warm gray number 2 for the tail. belly. Front legs and back legs. Even though it looks white in the picture, you can be sure that the kangaroo is not pure white. It's actually off-white to grayish brown. And there we have it. Let's lighten up some of these edges. Give it a more realistic look. Shouldn't look so sharp, should look more blended in. Let's just fix up that face with a darker brown. Burnt umber. Those eyes stand out. And the nose. Mouth. The front paws are darker, and so are the feet. They look almost a little bit black. We'll add some black there. It's really shadowed area right underneath the belly of the kangaroo, so it should be darker gray. Payne's gray, 181. Okay, I think here we have it. Kangaroo. I hope this was interesting and fun for you. If there's anything you'd like to share with me, please post it in the comments. If you enjoyed this art lesson, please like and subscribe. For more lessons in painting and drawing, check out my other videos. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.